What are the pros and the cons of tax lien investing? The United States has 3,000 counties. About half of those counties will sell tax lien certificates. So tax liens mean the state is pretty darn understanding. I like to say the state is benevolent. And on this list, 65,000 people did not pay their property tax. So if you buy a tax lien certificate, number one, you help someone not lose their property. Number two, you put the money into the local state government. Number three, you benefit yourself. Auctions might be too competitive for you. Maybe that makes you nervous if you have to compete with somebody. So tax lien certificates require you do a little homework. Well, how about that?
Welcome back to the Wealth Without Risk destination, where we turn novice investors into savvy professionals.
I'm going to show you strategies that are going to allow you to make 16%, 18%, 24% interest. Now, there's many things to talk about that are really positive. First of all, they're predictable, they're certain, and they're secure. So that's very important. Now, if you're a senior or you got a little gray hair like I do, you don't want to lose any money. So what you're going to do at tax liens is you're going to invest directly with the county, and you're going to get your money directly back from the county, plus that high rate of return. So these are safe, secure investments made directly with the government. That means your money's going to be protected by the property tax code. This is just a list of tax lien certificates. Now, Miami-Dade, there's millions of people that live there. And on this list, 65,000 people did not pay their property tax. Think about what I just said. You and I can buy those certificates, and when we do, we could earn, depending upon the state, here in Florida, you could earn up to 18%. If you bought one in Iowa, you could earn up to 24%. You're getting the idea. All right, here's the beauty of buying a tax certificate. Number one, you're investing with the local county, so now you don't have to worry about your money. Number two, the property owner is not dislodged. They're not thrown out. They're not evicted. So that means if you buy a tax certificate, you do not get possession of the property. However, you do have possession of a certificate, and the certificate will say right on it that if you don't get paid, you will get that property, and you'll get that property without a mortgage. So there's a whole bunch of things that are really positive about a tax lien certificate. So the earnings, they're not generous, they're outrageous. You can buy tax lien certificates for $50, $100,000.
If you're enjoying this video and want to join our journey to financial freedom, don't forget to like, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to stay updated on all things wealth building. Now back to our video.
In the United States, there's 3,000 counties. They will have 1 million certificates available in the month of May. 1 million certificates, and you could buy those. Auctions might be too competitive for you. Maybe that makes you nervous if you have to compete with somebody. Or maybe it's online. Well, that means you might have to learn some online process. All right, now, tax lien certificates, they're going to leave you with two things that could happen. One, you could get paid. The other, you could end up with the property. So some people say to me, Ted, I don't want to own any property. But let's think this thing out. If you got a property and paid 1 or 2% for it, and it had no mortgage, would you want it? So tax lien certificates require you do a little homework. Well, how about that? Doesn't every investment require that? So those are the negatives of buying. Are tax lien certificates and tax deeds big business? Well, I'm telling you, this is a big, big business. But I'll give you one example. So I had one female client. She started out in Texas, and she purchased a redeemable deed. That means she got the deed to the property. The homeowner had 180 days to come in and redeem. In other words, buy the certificate, the deed back. If the homeowner doesn't come in, she's going to get the property. They got 180 days. And when they come in to pay, they have to pay a minimum of 25%. So the smallest amount of money she can make is 25%. Well, she did a lot better than that. She invested $42,000, and the people didn't come in and redeem. So she called Zillow, sold the property for $75,000. In 9 months' time, she made $70,000 profit. You could be doing the same thing with either tax liens, tax deeds, or redeemable deeds. This business has been around for 200 years. It's available in all 3,000 counties. All you have to do is get off your rusty dusty and get started. Folks, I have hundreds of students nationwide and outside the United States. I mean, I have people in the UK, I have people in all the provinces of Canada, or at least most of the provinces, and I have people in Australia and Singapore and so on. So anybody can do this, and this is ongoing all the time. The beauty of what's happening today is once you learn this, you can do this online. I'm the owner and founder of the only electronic courses in the world. We can put you into an electronic course where you can be anywhere in the world and you can be going to school and learning how to do this at your convenience. 24/7, you can go to class with Ted Thomas, and it's the only one in the world.
Unlock your exclusive free gift now by clicking the link below. Instant access awaits.